we're going to look at three objects that are related to each other. So I want you guys to pay attention here, here, and last down here, okay?
Okay.
And these are related to each other. So I'm going to move this here, and I want one of you to tell me which of those three images do you see changing first? Which one do you notice changing first?
This one.
Okay, this one first one here, okay?
Yes.
All right. So what do you notice changing about that one? This one over here. What do you notice changing about it as I move this up and down?
It's going higher.
Okay, so you see that part going higher and lower, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to look at that and look down here, and let's see if you can tell which of those lines are moving.
The 88 orange one.
Yeah,
and
now it's
90.
91, right?
Yeah.
So, okay, good. So the orange one, and what is that, kind of like a brown color?
The-
So, yeah, where do you think those are on this image up here?
It's over here.
This one and this
That
one.
one.
Yep, okay. So as I move through that, the lengths of those two increase together at the same time, okay? What do you think's happening over here as I do that?
It's going down.
Okay, what's changing over here, the blue or the red?
The red.
Okay, as I do this, the blue or the red, which one's changing? Not the
Well-
position, but the size. Not the position, but the size.
The blue.
Just the blue, right? So where do you think that blue comes from in this picture over here? What part of this picture do you think is
Up.
that blue from?
Up on the
This part
upper
right
right.
here,
Yeah.
right, okay, all right. So now let's move another one, okay? Let's try moving this one here, okay? What does that change? What do you notice over here changing first? Let's look down here, okay? Look down here, right? So as I do this here, what's changing?
The purple and the green.
Okay, so notice that the purple's here and the green's here.
Yeah.
So changing this, if I change that purple, the green has to follow, otherwise it's going to mess up my rectangle.
Yes.
And what does that change over here in the areas?
The
These
red.
are the red, right, okay. So we can kind of piece together the two areas by taking this piece here and this piece down here, the blue one and the red one, and we can add those all together. And every single line up here as we move, every single line, I can think about them separately and how they move together. So I can move both my area and my perimeter as I change this object. You see that?
Mhm.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
See you.
Bye.